Hi guys, this is Emma. This will be my introductory video for my weight loss surgery. And I'm 30 years old. I'm from Monterey, California. And I'm not really sure exactly yet if I'm going to be loading these videos or not, but I primarily wanted to vlog so that I can have something to look back on and something that I can see how much progress I've made, and to also express myself and just talk about the process I'm having to go through. I started looking into weight loss surgery probably it's been on and off for about 2 years now, and I finally decided to go to the seminar in November 2015. Since then, I have been seeing my surgeon at Surgical Associates of Monterey Bay, and I've been seeing him for every month for the past 5 months. I'm hoping that in April my surgeon will be submitting to my insurance company for approval for weight loss surgery. And during these past 5 months, I have gone through the psychiatric evaluation. I've had my blood draws, I have had my EKG, my chest x-rays, and I have met with a dietitian. So I think now all I have to do is go to 2 more appointments and cross my fingers and pray that everything gets approved and that I can proceed for weight loss surgery. I was initially debating between the sleeve or RNY, and after talking to my doctor, and he recommended RNY surgery. So I hope that I either upload this or not, but if I do, I'm really excited to start this process and see what the future has planned for me, and hopefully meet some people along the way that are also going through the same journey that I can help support and find a support system with. So I think that's it for today. I will probably, if I decide to continue vlogging, I will be doing another video with all of my stats and information about what the surgeon tells me after next week's appointment. Bye.